Students, today we are going to discuss about some basic sentences, keywords, and on the subject communication. And I think it will be beneficial for you to know this paper, management communication, and we are going to start it in a different way. It will be question answers session. In first round we have to discuss about these sentences, whether these sentences are true or false. Yes, so now let us start it. The first sentence is gossip is important in communication. Is it true or false? It is false. Second one is sender is the first element in the process of communication. Yes, true. Another one is if encoding is there, decoding must be done. True. Communication can never be horizontal. It is false. Communication does not mean only informal communication. True. Communication may not be oral. It is wrong. It is false. Communication may be oral and written. Yes, it is true. Formal communication is a type of official communication. True. The objective of communication is to convert ideas into work. Yes, it is true. Communication may not be audio-visual. It is false. Communication may be horizontal. Yes, it is true. Then Grapevine is also known as formal communication. Yes, it is true. One is involved at least two persons. It is true. A receiver is the first element in communication process. It is false. Group effort is an important element in all type of communication process. It is false. Communication may be oral. Yes, it is true. Accuracy is a barrier for communication. It is false. Another one, the word communication has been derived from the Russian word communist. It is false. Grapevine is a type of informal communication. Yes, it is true. Communication involves at most two persons. It is false. Communication involves at least two persons. It is true. Feedback is an important element in communication process. Yes, it is true. Dual meaning is a barrier for communication. It is true. Last but not the least, the word communication has been derived from the Latin word communis. Yes, it is true. Then I think it is better to choose the correct option. The options are given here. You have to choose the correct option. The first question is ears / eyes are considered as portal to the soul. Here the answer is eyes. Eyes are considered as portal to the soul. Second one is effective communication may be suffered / improved by barriers. The answer is suffered. Communication is a 2 / 3-way process. The answer is 2. Communication is the process of passing / withholding information. The answer is passing information. Effective communication may be suffered / enhanced by barriers. The answer is suffered. Again, sender, message and receiver are optional / mandatory in a communication process. These three terms are mandatory in a communication process. So answer is mandatory. Written communication / oral communication is also known as office correspondence. The answer is written. Written communication is also known as office correspondence. Communication is a continuous / one-time process. The answer is continuous. Communication is a dynamic / rigid process. The answer is dynamic. Feedback is the first / last element in communication process. The answer is last. Eye contact is essential for written / oral communication. Answer is oral communication. Communication is the process of sharing / refusing information. The answer is sharing. Communication is a never-ending, continuous, one-time process. The answer is never-ending, continuous process. Sender is the first / last element in communication process. The answer is first. Sender is the first element in communication process. So I think these are enough for today's class, and I think if you are able to know all these statements, true statements, right statement, then it will be easier to answer any question on the subject management communication. Thank you, students.